Good day, everyone. I am TRISHA from CPE 4A. Here is my paper review presentation of the paper titled General Requirements for Industrial Augmented Reality Applications. So the author of the studies are Moritz Quandt, Benjamin Knope, Christian Gold, Michael Freitag, Klaus Dieter Tobin. So what were their goals and objectives? So the goal or objective of this study is to present a systematic overview of the general requirements for augmented reality applications in the industrial sector. Additionally, to determine methods that can successfully meet the requirements for the successful use of augmented reality solutions in industrial settings. So, what were their methods in terms of but not limited to? Who are the participants? The target participants of the studies are those in the field of industrial sector, technicians, and welders. How is the data gathering set up? So the gathering of the data is set up by making use of general requirements, which is then followed by a method that cross-sections various industrial augmented reality applications. Therefore, these needs and their specific dependencies are described in detail in two case studies that involve industrial uses of augmented reality or AR. So, how do they form the data set? So, the data set is formed by categorizing and analyzing the different criteria data of the requirements of the case studies during its development and integration using charts, as well as analyzing the setup and during operations of the requirements of the existing case studies using charts. So how do they process the data? So they analyze the data by analyzing the general requirements of AR applications identified in general requirements toward AR technologies in industrial applications technicians and welders that were taken into account in system development, and AR maintenance system architecture evaluates each criterion, and this includes cost effectiveness, data security, applicable rules, setup time, system reliability, presentation correctness, real-time capability, and ergonomy. So, what were their findings? For the case study of the augmented reality-based assistance system and augmented reality training simulators for welders, the figures at the right side summarize the AR-based maintenance assistance system for wind energy technicians criteria and the training simulators for welders based on the findings. Based on the system development and field testing, developers and test user assess individual fulfillment from very low to very good. So what were the gaps and their studies or findings? So their findings show that AR systems can suit most general application needs. However, there is room for improvement, particularly system dependability, occupational safety compliance, and overly accuracy. So only time or resource reductions can make AR system cost effective due to AR hardware technological immaturity and high costs. So what are my takeaways on this paper review? So the main thing I learned from this paper review is that the fast-paced growth of AR technology is likely to lead to new uses and needs as technology changes. Also, it shows that the two different case studies uses augmented reality to improve the overall digital experiences for their users because it is the best way to combine real and digital elements. So that ends my presentation. Thank you for listening.